Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really quick, easy glam. I'm starting with my Glaminizers RENEW DEW spray, and I'm just spraying that all over my face to prep my skin. We're moving into foundation with the Pacifica ALIGHT foundation, and I'm using some brushes that I just got. They were sent over from IT Cosmetics, and they're all vegan and cruelty-free. I'm obsessed with these brushes. I've been using them nonstop for basically my whole face routine. Every time I use a brush for foundation, I dab it out with a beauty blender to get rid of excess. And now I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick. This is my favorite cream bronzer. It's like so smooth, it works so well. I use this every time I do my makeup, regardless of if I'm wearing powder bronzer or not. Now I'm going in with the Pacifica Full Coverage Concealer. I'm mixing two shades because, as you can see, one is a little bit light and it's a little pink too, so I wanted to even it out, so I'm going to add in another shade that has a little bit more of a yellow undertone. I'm not one for the really bright under eye highlight. After that, you're just going to take your damp beauty blender and blend out all of that concealer before it dries down. I'm really liking this Pacifica concealer. As of right now, I have no complaints. I think it's really good. As you guys can see, Beba came in to give me a kiss and check on me. Now I'm just setting my under eyes with some setting powder, and we are going to jump into powder bronzer. So I'm using the Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm actually going to be using two shades, the milk chocolate and then the regular chocolate. This is the IT Cosmetics blush brush that I am literally obsessed with. You guys, I'm linking it below. You need this brush in your life. IT Cosmetics, thank you guys so much for sending this brush over. Then we're going to take our bronzer and put that in our crease for like a warm flush of color, just to give some dimension back to the eyes and kind of show, my brow bone, give a little bit of shape to my eyes. Jumping into brows, I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow Gel just to sort of color the hairs a little bit so I can go lighter on the brow pencil that I'm about to use. And this next product, new discovery, you guys. IT Cosmetics sent me their amazing brow pencil. I've never used a brow pencil in my life that's as good as this one. This video is not sponsored, nor am I getting paid to say this. I don't even currently have an affiliate code with them, but you guys, I think IT Cosmetics is my new favorite brand. Like, they have so many killer ass products, and like, why did I not know about this damn brow pencil? It's fucking amazing. Anyways, enough of that. I'm just doing my brows really, really lightly, as you can see, filling in sparse areas. I'm not too worried about my brows being perfect or even. This is just quick glam. Just using a little bit of concealer just to kind of clean them up a little bit, and I'm going to dab that out with my finger. Moving on, the star of the show, this new Deck of Scarlet glitter liner. This is just a gold glitter liner. This was given to me at BeautyCon. This was my first time using it, and I actually really liked it. The only thing I noticed is that the brush was a little big. Now I'm going in with the new Kokie cream highlights. This is in the shade Heavenly, and oh my gosh, you guys, these are absolutely beautiful. If you guys want to try out this highlight, I totally recommend it. Cream products usually sit really weird on my skin, but this one is amazing. It doesn't lift up my foundation, and I also have a discount code with Kokie, so you guys could get 25% off, so it'll be linked below. I'm throwing on these faux silk lashes, and we're gonna move on to lips. I am, of course, like always, using my All Natural lip liner from Desiderio Beauty, and I am going to go in with a J-Cat lipstick today after I'm done overlining my lips. This is so aesthetically pleasing, you guys. I love this part of the video. Like, I could line my lips all day. Now going in with Undercover lipstick from J-Cat. These are the Scene Sealer lipsticks. These will be linked below as well because they're fucking amazing. And this is me saying, bitch, bitch. this is a fucking look because I was really feeling myself, as you can see. And that's it for this quick and easy glam. I love it. I think it's so fresh and clean, super cute for springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.